Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good today. So in my today's video, we are going to be making no-bake chocolate mud pie. This is so rich, so decadent and intensely chocolatey. It is like the chocolate lover's dream and it is going to take you into the chocolate coma. It has got a delicious Oreo layered crust with some chocolate custard filling and finally topped with some chocolate ganache and some delicious whipping cream. This dessert is going to blow your mind. For those of you who are new to my channel and are visiting here for the very first time, we make a lot of delicious things here. So friends, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notifications to get notified whenever I post my new videos. So friends, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. I'm going to chop around 170 grams of bittersweet chocolate into fine chunks and then I'm going to put it into a bowl and I'm going to set it aside. I need around 25 Oreo cookies exactly as per my baking tin for preparing of the pie crust, and I'm going to whisk it up into fine powder and then I'm going to add in around 4 tablespoons of melted butter and I'm going to mix it well till it resembles wet sand. And then I'm going to dump it into the pie tin and with the help of my clean hands I'm going to flatten it up, and with the help of the measuring spoon I will make it flat. So I'm going to pop this into the fridge and let it set for some time while I make the filling. Into a separate bowl I'm going to take in around 5 egg yolks and whisk it thoroughly and set this aside. Into another bowl I'm going to take in around half a cup of milk and a quarter cup of cornstarch and I'm going to make it into nice uniform slurry. Mix it well, make sure that there are no lumps and set it aside. Into a medium saucepan, I'm going to be adding in around 1.5 cup of milk, 1 cup of cream, 2/3 cup of sugar and about a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix it well and set it on the medium-high heat and continue stirring it. And then I'm going to add in around half teaspoon of coffee powder and mix it well. Adding coffee powder helps to amplify the chocolate flavor. Now the milk has totally boiled, so I'm going to take it off the heat. So here I have my eggs which I had whisked earlier, and this is a corn slurry which I had whisked up before. So I'm going to give it a little mix and add it to the egg mixture and whisk it up and mix it well with the eggs. And now finally it is time to temper the eggs. By adding the warm milk mixture, I'm going to add in little by little warm milk mixture to the eggs, making sure to stir it continuously to make sure that I don't cook the eggs or I don't shock the eggs. I'm going to continue mixing this till I finish adding my entire warm milk mixture. Now we are going to put the mixture back into the saucepan and put it back on the heat, and we are going to whisk it until it comes to a boil and thicken up. It has started to thicken up and I can fill it with my whisk. Once this happens, you really want to keep stirring and stir a bit harder. You can see on the bottom how it's beginning to thicken up. We can reduce the heat now to medium and cook for an additional minute. And now finally it is time to take it off the heat. And now I'm going to add in the 170 grams of chocolate which I chopped in the beginning, and it is going to kind of cool the mixture down and make it delicious. And now I'm going to be adding in around a teaspoon of vanilla extract to this mixture, and I'm going to stir it well till it is combined and the chocolate is totally melted into this mixture. And this mixture has to be totally cool before adding it into the pie shell. Just look at this, it looks very thick and glossy. So now I'm going to be adding this chocolate custard mixture to my prepared pie shell, and then I'm going to evenly spread it all around the pie shell with the help of the spatula to make it look even and smooth. So now I'm going to set this into the refrigerator for some time till I prepare my chocolate ganache. So here I have got around half a cup of double cream which I have warmed up into the microwave, and to that I'm going to be adding in around a quarter cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I'm going to mix it well with the help of whisk till the chocolate is totally melted and combined with this cream. Just look at this, it has become so smooth. So finally my chocolate ganache is ready, and now I'm going to pour it over the pie. So now with the help of the spatula, I'm going to gently spread it over the entire pie so that it covers the entire chocolate pie. So finally my chocolate mud pie is ready, and I'm going to pop it into the refrigerator and let it set for about 4 hours or overnight. I've allowed my pie to set in the fridge for overnight, and now finally I'm going to unmold it. And then it is time to prepare the whipping cream to top over my pie. Whipping cream has to be prepared just before serving the pie. So here I've got around 300 ml of heavy whipping cream and 4 tablespoons of icing sugar, and I'm going to be adding in around a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm going to whip it up with the help of my hand beater till I get stiff peaks. And now finally it is time to assemble. So I've piled the whipping cream onto the chocolate pie with the help of spatula. I'm going to spread it evenly, and then I'm going to top the pie with some shaved chocolate. And finally it is time to cut a slice for me. Just look at this chocolate mud pie. It's so rich, so delicious and intensely chocolatey. It is going to take you to the chocolate coma.